Un dernier yon, je gentiment.
Alright, look at this. It's a nice micro suede I had got off of eBay. But it doesn't stretch at all. I needed something that stretches. So I got this stuff from Walmart. Unfortunately, it's brown. But I thought about it. I can spray it a different color, black, gray. Well, no, I can't spray it gray, but I can spray it black. It'll come out nice black. But then I thought about it. The brown kind of goes with, you know, my team theme, which is team brown notes. So, here we go. Yeah, I'm in my room doing it. I got proper ventilation, so I'm okay. Give me a second. Holy smokes. Well, I'm pretty much done. I just gotta wire them up. No, I am not using that wire. It's just temporary. But then again, it's not taking a lot. It's temporary wire. I got this stuff right here that I'm using. Yeah. So, pretty much done. Of course, it's called micro suede. So that's it. And this was another micro suede, but it doesn't even. Is this the right side I'm using? Yeah, it's not even micro.
Wait, what?
You know what I'm saying? Like it micros just a little bit. See, it doesn't really do the suede thing like it's supposed to. I know it's micro, but man. But anyway, this stuff right here does not stretch at all. This stuff right here will stretch, you know, stretch, two-way stretch. That means it stretches diagonal and vertical. So, yeah, but this was the original color. Man, I really want to use this color because it really blended with the car. You know, being seen that the car is gray. But, I mean, the brown, like I said, it goes with, you know, the squad. I mean, I guess I could get like a little logo of a poop emoji right here, or TBN, the Team Brown note, or just sign it maybe with a Sharpie or something. I don't know. I'm just playing with the Sharpie, y'all. But maybe I could do a theme like that, or I could just get some fabric paint and just paint it black. But, you know, I don't want to hop in or, you know, be out on a date and the lady gets black stuff on her clothes because of me being, you know, funny about coordination. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm starting to like the brown though. I really am. And I like the position and everything turned out to my liking. My gap came out pretty cool. It's just a nice little seam. And it looks normal. Looks like a body mold. Same here. Even up in there, it's very tight. As you can see, very tight. All around the edge, very tight. And it's perfect for where the door closes. I'm hoping it's perfect. That's one thing you're supposed to do when you first place them is make sure your doors open and close. So it is possible that this pretty pot I made might not even work. I'm hoping it does. I really do hope it does. But maybe tomorrow I'll do a test fit with this one. Hopefully I can get the other one done. I still gotta sand it, body fill it, sand it, body fill it, and wrap it. And then anchor it. I used all the bolt holes. Worked out perfect. It is very secure. You can see some of the bolts on the back side. I got one here, one there, one down there, one here with washers on most of them. And especially on the inside where it hits that fiberglass. And I used the impact gun, tightened it up, a little hot glue on the threads so they don't vibrate apart. Bam! We done. So stay tuned for some of my action, hopefully. Peace and bass.
Oh yeah. Damn, I'm feeling so tripped.